Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 GMC Yukon. This Yukon is featured in a black paint and has the Denali trim. It includes features such as our power running boards, a powered liftgate, backup camera with adaptive guidelines and rear park assist, heated second row seats, heated and vented front row seats, our lane keep assist, heated steering wheel, power folding third seats, and much more. Now to the front of the Yukon. We can see that we have our chrome finish door handle, as well as our door locks. Moving down to the door panel, we have our power outside mirrors that also contain our blind spot and turn indicator. We have our powered window controls, as well as our window locks. In the bottom of the door, some additional storage. And just above, on the right-hand side, we have all of our seat memory. Moving up, we have our heads-up display information, as well as the positioning and brightness. Moving across to the left-hand side of the steering wheel still, we have our traction control, our sensors, our side assist, as well as our lane keep assist, and our power adjustable pedals. Below that, we have our lighting controls, as well as our drive mode select, and our trailer brake controller. Moving to the center, we have our cluster gauge. You can see that we have a digital information system in the middle of the cluster. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise setting, our forward collision warning, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free, as well as our controls to adjust our center cluster gauge information. Moving to the middle, we have our audio system. You can see that it contains our Bluetooth as well as our navigation. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. We have some additional controls below. We have our power as well as our volume, our button to quickly switch to our radio as well as our media, and our home and our back button on the far side. In the center, we have our seek button, our eject for our CD player that is in the bottom, as well as a button to push our screen up. And behind our screen, we have a USB and some storage. Then below, we have our dual zone front climate control, as well as our rear climate control, which can be controlled through the back or through the front of the vehicle. On the left-hand side and right-hand side, we have our heated and vented front seats. Moving down, we have some hidden storage that contains a 12-volt as well as 2 USBs. Then we have our 2 cup holders, as well as our center console with a wireless charging pad on top. Opening into the center console, we can see on the driver's side we have a 12-volt plug. We have some deep storage, as well as some shallow storage in the front. The passenger side contains 2 USBs, as well as an auxiliary cable. We can see our seats finished in a black leather with the Denali logo. They are heated and vented in the front of the vehicle and heated in the second row. On the bottom of the rearview mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Above our rearview mirror, we have our lighting controls for the front of the vehicle, our garage door memory, the controls for our power sliding and tilt sunroof, our power liftgate button, the lighting controls for the whole vehicle, as well as our Wi-Fi spot button. Then lastly, we have our sunroof. Now walking down the Yukon, we can move down to our wheels at the front of the vehicle. We can see that they're an alloy finish. They have the GMC center cap in black. Moving up, we have our chrome finished outside mirrors, as well as our chrome logo that says our Denali. We have our door handles with a chrome finish on the outside and paint match middle. They are keyless entry on both the front and the back. Opening the vehicle, we can see that we have our power running board that runs across the bottom of the vehicle on open and entry and folds up once our doors are closed. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our GMC and Yukon badging. In the back, just below our GMC logo, we have our backup camera. We have our power liftgate, which we can open through either our keys or through the handle in the back or the front of the vehicle. We have optional third row seating. We have our power folding on the right-hand side. as well as an additional 12-volt plug for the back of the vehicle, and then some additional storage. Then lastly, to close the trunk, we have a button just to the right of the center. Now moving to the rear of the vehicle, we once again have our chrome door handle, our window control, as well as a cup holder, and some additional storage in the bottom of the door. Moving into the cabin, we have our magazine holder in both the driver and passenger seat. Moving to the middle, we have a 115-volt plug, as well as our rear controls for all of our climate controls. We also can see we have heated outboard captain seats in the second row. We have some additional controls, including volume, 2 USBs, an HDMI, and an auxiliary for our DVD player. We have a 12-volt plug as well. You can see the passenger seat also contains the magazine holder. Seats in the back are once again the same black leather. They're heated in the second row. We can see in the center we have our pass-through to get to the rear of the vehicle, which features 60/40 power folding seats, also in the leather, as well as some cup holders and a 12-volt plug. Then lastly, we have our DVD system. So we can see that we have lighting controls. We have a push to release button with our screen there that has our wireless display, our Blu-ray, as well as our HDMI input. Then moving across, we can see that we have 2 seats in the second row for total seating of 7. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 GMC Yukon. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.